Welcome to this Unity Quick Guide. In this video we will be covering presence-based scripting. Presence-based scripting is a powerful availability tool that enables dynamically changing prompts for the web chat and callback media streams that are hosted on a business's web pages. Once assigned to the relevant web pages, presence-based scripting works by enabling these media stream prompts to dynamically appear, change, and disappear relative to a business's availability. For example, access to these media streams can change based on factors such as available agents or a business's operating hours. This ensures that there are no missed communications, that customers remain informed on available channels, and can also be used so that busier agents can focus on higher engagement channels during peak periods for other media streams. Presence-based scripting is straightforward to implement. Simply access your desired web chat or callback media stream within the portal. Click on the media stream, then navigate to the profile icon at the top of the screen. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Test Stream button. This will take you to a page where a HTML script has been generated. Simply copy and paste this script block into the HTML script of your desired web pages, and your new media stream, along with presence-based scripting, will now be available. Thank you for watching this Unity Quick Guide. For more information and contact center tutorials, including how to build media streams and set up routing phases, a full Unity Quick Guide series is available.